students, welcome to the part 6 video of the login application. In this video session I'm just going to continue the last video session. Okay, so in the last video session I just created a JLabel and I just set the background of the frame by using the JLabel. Okay, so let's continue to this program. Okay, in this program I'm just trying to making it small and easy to understand. So for that reason I separated all the codes from this application and I'm explaining you by taking a small piece of code. Okay, so in the you can see that the same program what I started in the session part 1, and in that program only I'm just doing editing and I'm increasing the content of this code. Okay, so up to now we have added the background as to the frame. Okay, so now in this video session I'm just going to take one text field and one username label that I'm going to show how. Okay, so these are the codes what I was already written. I'm going to take it from here, the text field. First I am going to add text field, then I will show the password field. Okay, sorry, not text field, these are username field. It's another label. Okay, first username and password label I'm taking, then I am going to take the other two component. Slowly I'm increasing the content of this program. Okay, and I'm going to explain also what I'm taking, what I'm doing, so no need to get worry if you're not getting all the things. Okay, slowly you will have the idea of what I was doing, and in the final video I'm just going to explain all the things. That will be a little high video. Okay, so let's start. Here what I was did is I was taken another two label, that is username label and password label, and okay, to that level I need to set the position of dot, right? If I will not set the position, then it is not going to be visible on the screen, on the window, or on the frame. So you need to call the set bounds method. You need to specify where you want to keep that component in the frame, then only it is going to be visible. Okay, so for that reason I'm calling set bounds method, and I am specifying that towards x coordinate it should give 0 space, and towards y coordinate it should give 130 space, and towards to the it should have the width of 100, and it should have the space height, sorry, of 40. This is the username label, and to that username label I am setting the font by using the set font method. Already I have discussed a video on this set font method, you can watch that, or else just begin this, or else I'm just going to cover here itself, no need to get worry. To set the font of your JLabel, you can use the set font method. It is accepting one parameter like font object, it is going to accept, and font in the font object you can specify. Let's see what it is accepting. Set font method is accepting, let me do. Okay, set font is accepting font object as parameter, you can see here. But now different font constructors are there, out of which we have taken this constructor. Okay, three different constructors are there for font class. We are taking let's change this. Okay, we are taking the second approach, what it is selected now. It is taking the first argument as string name, means it is the name of that font, what kind of name, what kind of font you want, that name you want to specify here. And second parameter it is taking is style, it required to be bold or it required to be italic. Likewise you have to mention font dot bold or font dot italic or underline something. And last parameter what it is accepting is size, the font size. Okay, so for that reason I was taken three parameter, I was written three parameter to this font. Okay, font dot bold is there, for font dot plain, font dot italic. Likewise different style it is providing, what you want you can take. I am taking font dot bold, and I am specifying the size of that text should be 15. Okay, so this is for username label. And you can set the foreground color, means the text color of that label, by using the set foreground method. It is accepting one color class object as parameter. Okay, let's check what it is accepting. Mhm. Okay, let's go to this and check. Set foreground is accepting color code, color object as the parameter. So we need to pass color object, and different colors are there. By you can all the colors are declared as static. So directly through the class name you can get those color dot black, blue, cyan, dark gray. What color you want you can take. I am taking black. Okay. Now finally you need to add that component to the background. Here in the frame we already added that background label, right? Now on top of frame one component is there, that is busy label, background label. And you have to, means if you want that username label to be visible on the frame, means now you have to add this username label on the top of background label. So you need to add it to the background label, not to the container. Okay, remember that on the frame you have kept that background label. Okay, now on that background label you have to keep that username label. Okay, three different layer is coming. In some other video I will take a diagram and I will show you so that you will have the idea. Here in the background label this is a j label only, in the busy label is the j label only. Here you can see busy label is a j label only, and to that background label I am just adding that username label. Similarly here I was taken another j label, that is a password label. Okay, with the value like password, and I am setting the position of that j label password label by calling the set bounds method and by specifying 0 towards x coordinate 0 and towards y coordinate y 180. Why I was given 180 means it should, in here in the username label it is having 130, means from the top it should give 130, then it will be visible. If you will take the same size 130, then it will overlap with each other, right? So it will not be visible, that username label will not be visible. So if you want to give, you have to give some more space, then only it is going to be come down. Okay, and width and height I am taking same 140 as like username label. And set font method, as I already told that by using that you can set the font of your label. And set foreground method you can use by to set the color of your text, JLabel text. So color if you want to set, means you can use set foreground method. And finally I'm adding that password label to the background label. Okay, as I already discussed why you have to add to that background label. Okay, in some other video I will make the diagram and you will have the clear picture about it. Now let's run and see what output we are getting. Okay, now you can see that our frame got created. To that frame our image as the background also selected, means one label I was set created, and that label I was set with icon. That icon I added to the frame so that it became the background image of the frame. And to that background image background label I am adding two more label, that is username label and password label. Okay, now in the next video I'm going to take the text field and one password field here. Okay, so this is all about this video session. Hope you like this video. If you do like, then please do subscribe to my channel and keep sharing with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care.